How to use Poshmark in Canada. First, create a Poshmark account. Go to the Poshmark website or download a Poshmark app. Sign in using email, Google, Apple, or Facebook. Then, select Canada as your country during sign up. This determines your marketplace and shipping region. Step 2. Set up your profile. Add a profile photo, write a short bio, verify your email, and add your shipping address and payment information. A complete profile generally builds more buyer confidence. Step 3. List an item. Tap Sell and then take 4 to 8 clear photos, add a descriptive title, then choose the category, brand, size, condition, and color. Write an honest description and set your price. Now make sure you search for similar sold items first to help price yours competitively. Step 4. Share your listings. After publishing, share your listings regularly, join Posh parties, respond quickly to comments and offers. Sharing keeps your listings more visible in search results. Step 5. Accept offers or sell. Buyers can buy at your listed price, send an offer, or bundle multiple items. You can accept, counter, or decline offers. And then step 6. Ship the item. When your item sells, Poshmark emails you a prepaid Canada Post shipping label or QR code. Print the label or the QR code at Canada Post. Pack the item securely, attach the label, and drop it off at any Canada Post location or mailbox if it fits. After delivery, the buyer has 3 days to accept the order or report a problem. If nothing is reported, the sale is automatically completed. Your earnings are then released for withdrawal. Now, important things that you need to know. You generally cannot ship directly between Canadian and US marketplaces. Canadian buyers and sellers use the Canadian marketplace unless they ship to an address in the other country. Standard Poshmark Canada shipping is $12 Canadian for packages up to 2.5 kilograms. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.